Attitude test chamber can simulate plateau low-pressure climate environment. The test box uses a high-strength anti-deformation design. The machine uses water cooling to dissipate heat. The machine needs to be connected to the cooling water pipe. The top is the water outlet pipe, and the bottom is the water inlet pipe. Connect the water pipe here. The machine has automatic water replenishment function. Connect the power supply. Power on the machine. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Set the temperature and air pressure. You can wait for the temperature to reach the set value before setting the air pressure, so that the temperature will change faster. Start the test. View the running curve. Enter the operation settings and set the program test mode. Set up program. Set program number. Set the temperature, air pressure, time for each segment. The adjacent sections are the same temperature and pressure. The front section is the temperature change time, and the back end is the holding time. Open program waiting. Set the cycle period. Select the preset program number. Start the program test.